Ninja Edu Hub. The alphabet phonics sounds. Letter A sounds like A, as in apple. Steps to pronounce. Open mouth wide, relax tongue at the bottom of the mouth. Say short A sound A, like apple. Lip movement. Mouth wide open, jaw slightly lowered. Tongue position flat at the bottom of the mouth. A says A. Letter B sounds like B, as in ball. Steps to pronounce. Close lips firmly. Push air out while opening lips. Say B. Lip movement. Lips together. Pop open. Tongue position. Flat, not touching teeth. B says B. Letter C sounds like K, as in cat. Steps to pronounce. Rise back of tongue to roof of mouth. Push air out. Say K. Lip movement. Slight opening of lips. Tongue position. Back of tongue raised. C says K. Letter D sounds like D, as in dog. Steps to pronounce. Place tongue behind upper teeth. Push air out. Say D. Lip movement. Relaxed lip. Tongue position. Touches behind upper teeth. D says D. Letter E sounds like A, as in egg. Steps to pronounce. Open mouth slightly. Relax tongue. Say short E sound A. Lip movement. Half open mouth. Tongue position relaxed. E says A. Letter F sounds like as in fish. Steps to pronounce. Touch upper teeth to lower lip. Blow air gently. Say lip movement. Upper teeth touch lower lip lightly. Tongue position relaxed. F says. Letter G sounds like G, as in goat. Steps to pronounce. Rise back of tongue to roof of mouth. Push air out. Say G. Lip movement. Relaxed lip. Tongue position. Back tongue raised. G says G. Letter H sounds like as in hat. Steps to pronounce. Open mouth. Breathe out softly. Say lip movement. Relaxed. Slight opening. Tongue position. Relaxed. H says. Letter I sounds like E, as in ink. Steps to pronounce. Open mouth slightly. Relax tongue. Say short I sound E. Lip movement. Slight opening. Tongue position relaxed. I says E. Letter J sounds like J, as in jam. Steps to pronounce. Press tongue lightly to the upper teeth. Push air gently. Say J. Lip movement. Relaxed lips. Tongue position. Light touch to teeth. J says J. Letter K sounds like K, as in kite. Steps to pronounce. Rise back tongue to roof of mouth. Push air out. Say K. Lip movement. Slight opening. Tongue position. Back tongue raised. K says K. Letter L sounds like L, as in lion. Steps to pronounce. Touch tongue to roof of mouth behind teeth. Say L. Lip movement. Relaxed lips. Tongue position raised behind teeth. L says L. Letter M sounds like M, as in man. Steps to pronounce. Close lips. Hum while pushing air. Say M. Lip movement. Lips together. Tongue position relaxed. M says M. Letter N sounds like N, as in net. Steps to pronounce. Touch tongue to roof of mouth behind teeth. Say N. Lip movement. Relaxed lip. Tongue position raised behind teeth. Yan says N. Letter O sounds like A, as in orange. Steps to pronounce. Open mouth wide, relax tongue, say short O sound A. Lip movement. Rounded lips, tongue position, relaxed. O says A. Letter P sounds like P, as in pen. Steps to pronounce. Close lips firmly, push air out, say P. Lip movement. Lips together, pop open. Tongue position, relaxed. P says P. Letter Q sounds like Qua, as in queen. Steps to pronounce. Say K sound, round lips and say W. Lip movement, rounded lips. Tongue position, raised back tongue for K. Q says Qua. Letter R sounds like R, as in rat. Steps to pronounce. Curl tongue slightly upward, say R. Lip movement, relaxed lips. Tongue position slightly curled upward. R says R. Letter S sounds like S, as in sun. Steps to pronounce. Place tongue behind teeth. Push air gently. Say S. Lip movement, relaxed. Tongue position near teeth. S says S. Letter T sounds like T, as in tap. Steps to pronounce. Place tongue behind teeth. Push air. Say T. Lip movement, relaxed. Tongue position behind teeth. T says T. Letter U sounds like A, as in umbrella. Steps to pronounce. Open mouth slightly, relax tongue, say short U sound A. Lip movement, relaxed. Tongue position, relaxed. U says A. Letter V sounds like V, as in van. Steps to pronounce. Touch upper teeth to lower lip, blow air, say V. Lip movement, upper teeth touch lower lip lightly. Tongue position, relaxed. V says V. Letter W sounds like W, as in win. Steps to pronounce. Round lips, push air, say W. Lip movement, rounded lips, tongue position, relaxed. W says W. Letter X sounds like X, as in box. Steps to pronounce. Say K, then S quickly. Keep sounds short. Lip movement, relaxed. Tongue position, raised for K. X says X. Letter Y sounds like Y, as in yak. Steps to pronounce. Raise tongue to roof of mouth. Say Ya. Lip movement, relaxed. Tongue position, raised high. Y says Ya. Letter Z sounds like Z, as in zoo. Steps to pronounce. Place tongue behind teeth. Vibrate air. Say Z. Lip movement, relaxed. Tongue position near teeth. Z says Z.